So first we have this one, guys. This one is, you know, where you can put the utensils when you hand wash things. Yes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May.
Hello guys, good morning. Today is 6th September 2021, guys, and I am going to prepare or put all these ones, guys, these stickers for Lakota's clothes, guys, because this clothes she's going to bring at school, and we leave these clothes at school. So whenever an emergency happened, and she has clothes to wear while she's at school. Okay, so I'm going to put this one, guys. So this is her stickers. Yeah, so I'm going to put all this mark in here inside, guys, here. Okay, so at the moment no mark. So I'm going to this this one is for Haley. This one. Okay guys, so we are going to mark this ones. Okay, and I will show you guys later. Okay guys, so I have just laid down all Lakota's clothes. Actually, these clothes aren't new, because you know what, guys, because Lakota, she's going to bring these at school, and we have to leave all these at school, guys. So I decided not to put new clothes, just in case if they misplaced or they will lost it. So better to you know, better to put the old ones. And also, guys, we are going to only these clothes are for until maybe October only, because in last week or first week of November we are going to change it into winter clothes, guys. So yes, these clothes are just for, you know, just for a while only. All right guys, so I am heating my iron. So I will iron it here on our bed, guys, because it's just a few things. To find the cloth bag for Lakota, because guys, I have to put all these. They are now folded and ready to be packed, so I have to go and take the bag and put inside the bag with Lakota's name, of course. So whenever she needs it, then she has clothes to wear at school. Alright, yeah, guys, so here it is already, Lakota's name, and also I have my number here, so no need to focus on that. Yes guys, so ayan, I'm going to put all the clothes of Lakota in here, and we are ready to go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to give you a haul, a very quick haul for the kids things, guys, because next week they are going to school already, and this year Lakota is going to school as well. I will show you all the materials that they asked for the school. So first we have this one, guys. This one is, you know, where you can put the utensils when you hand wash things. Yes, so they use this one, or they're going to use this, guys, to put pencil or colored pencils, something like that, guys. So this one, because each kid or each child has this one for their own school supplies, guys. Okay, so we have this. We also have this kind of pencil. Yes, this pencil is quite, you know, quite fat. It's big for her to, or for the kids to grip easily. Yes, and right, of course. And we also need this one, guys. This one is wet wipes. Yes, they need wet wipes. We also have clinics, or how they call this one, tissue. Yes. So as I've said, they need colors. They have different kinds of colors, guys. This one is felt color, felt tip color, guys.
And thin.
Yes, and thin. This one is colored pencil. Yes, big colored pencil. Yes, it's fat. And they also have this Manly brand, and this one naman, guys, is Crayola. And we also have this one, guys, Giotto Turbo Maxi, and this one is also fat colored pen. Yes, so this one has 12 colors, and Lakota needs this plastic folder as well for her to put some documents. For example, if we need to sign something, and then the teacher will put in here and the child brings it home for us to sign. Okay, guys, so we also have these paint sticks for the kids. It's easier for them to draw or to paint like this, guys, as you can see. And it looks so nice. And also we have this pack of things, and inside there are yes, 2 books. Yes, we have 2 books, and also 2 activity worksheets according to the books. Yes, so they read the stories in the book, and then they answer the workbook or worksheet. Yes, guys. And also daming also, I don't know how many times I said also. And as you all see, guys, the one we prepared earlier, yes, all Lakota's things are inside already. And backpack, but she's not going to need a backpack. She's not going to use this backpack because they ask for a small bag only where she can put her breakfast, and that's it. So she's not going to use this one. But when we go out, or if she's going to an excursion, then yes, she needs this one. She will need this one, guys. That is why. And this present is from Haley's friend Laya and her family. They gave this when they came to attend Lakota's 3rd birthday. Maybe you saw it in the previous vlogs in my Lakota's 3rd birthday vlog, guys, in my videos. Yeah, so what else, Haley?
Nothing.
And also bata. Bata, guys, is like a robe, but the thing is still in the shop because they're going to embroider it, and we are going to take this week. Yes, I am waiting the call or the message from the shop, and she didn't message me yet. Yes, so she has the bata or the robe that I said, that I have just said, and also the small bag for her breakfast. Yes, because I asked the 2 things, and also 1 bata for Haley because Haley is growing every year, so she needs to change as well the bata or the robe, right? So we took a bigger one, and yeah, so we got 3 things to take from that shop, and I asked to embroider all, guys. Yes, so we are waiting for those, right, Haley? And today, especially today, we are going to bring all of these materials, guys,
In Lakota's.
yes, in Lakota's school, and she's going to see her classroom, and also she's going to meet her teacher. Yes, guys. And then tomorrow afternoon, parents are going to have the general meeting. So my husband is going tomorrow. They're going to discuss about the curriculum, something like that. So I have to stay with the kids tomorrow afternoon. What, Hailey?
Right.
Yes. And then Hailey, I don't know when Hailey's going to bring all her materials. I have the message in here.
I think
When
I'm going to school.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So no need to bring anything. Wait, bata per plastica. Alumna de clase dictionary Catalan. So they didn't tell when.
I know.
They're not going. So I think we're not going to bring Hailey's materials. Yes, so when she goes to school, then she will bring all her materials, I think. Hello guys, so let's continue. We are going to do the haul also for Hailey's school materials. First we have this kind of folder, guys, where she can put some I don't know, paper stuff. Okay, so they asked this one, and you can open it, this one, and there's compartment inside where she can put papers or important documents for her. And another one, another folder is this, but without anything, just these 4 rings where she can put also this one, guys, inside. This one is the plastic, you know,
Papers.
plastic folders. Yes, where you can put inside and to keep some documents as well. I don't know, or maybe her drawings, something like that.
Yes, drawings.
Yes, and maybe some worksheet. And we have this one, guys, inside of these. They put.
You can open it.
We ordered this one, guys, all the materials in the bookshop, and then the bookshop prepared everything in one bag, just like Lakota's and Hailey. So they have separated everything. This one is for Hailey's things, guys. And inside there is glue stick, scissors, stabilo box where she can use to color or underline or highlight some important words. Yes, and we also have this Posca. They call this Posca with colors, and also rubber, pens, different colored of pens, guys. Yes, it has in here. And there is also one pencil. Yes, so guys, those are the things inside of this plastic bag. All right, and Hailey needs also this Johto Turbo Color. This is with felt tip, guys. Yeah, colored pens. And she also has this different kind of colored pencil. This one is pencil type. Yes, as you all can see. And this one, guys, is to separate the documents, guys, in here. Just put this one and just separate the documents. Yes, this one, guys. She also got this book, and I think she's going to read this during the school year. And she has also this book, Hailey. She has religion. Yes, some in her class, guys. Since Hailey was in, I think, 4th of preschool.
Yes.
And they call it here P4 or P5 preschool. Yes, guys. And we decided her to take the religion class. And some of her classmates, they have the values. Yes, right, Hailey? So Hailey, she has the religion subject. We chose the religion for her. Yes, so she has the book as well, the religion book. And another book is this, guys, mathematics. And
I can see it.
yeah, you can see it. She also has this compass. Maybe she needs this in her math. Earpods, guys. Yes, because they're going to use computer most of the time, I think, this year. She chose this cute pencil case. Purple is her favorite color. Yes. And how many notebooks? And this kind of notebooks, guys. 5 of these. Yes. Roller. She got roller as well. And of course, her backpack. And what else, Hailey? And the robe, the bata. Yes.
And
like
papers.
I'm sorry. and white papers.
Tissue.
Oh yeah, tissue as well.
I need 2 tissues.
Duas kapsas de mocados, mocado posca. Yes. So 2 boxes of tissues for Hailey. Huh, Hailey?
This like Lakota.
Yes. So this kind of tissue for Hailey that she needs to bring at school. Right, Hailey?
Yes.
2 of these, 2 boxes. And that's it, huh, Hailey? So guys, we are going to Lakota's school now. First, we have to pay also 35 euros for the copies of the activities that she's going to do the whole year. Yeah, so we have to go to the bank first and pay the 35 euros, and then we will go to school. So these are the materials for grade 3 here, guys, in Spain. Yeah. It's very hot, guys.
You're excited? No. No? No.
Lakota, are you excited to see your teacher?
No, Mama.
No?
No. But you're nervous?
Are you nervous?
Lakota, look.
Come here.
We're nervous?
A little bit.
A little?
Okay guys, so we are now at Lakota's school and we are going to bring all her materials. But the thing is, I am not sure, guys, if we can record videos in there. I'm not sure if they will allow us. So we will leave you here, okay?
Or not?
Or not. Okay, so we will bring the camera, but I'm not sure if we can record a video. So see you guys later. Lakota, are you excited, darling, to see your teacher? Darling, are you excited to see your teacher? Yes.
Mama.
Oh, very good, darling. Yeah. Your face mask is okay. It fits on you, right? Yes?
Yes. You are going?